I gotta get this charged. So
There's all these presents in there.
There's so many. First, can we open our stockings and wait for mommy? Are you recording? I did.
Oh, you did already?
Yeah.
Open my present.
You have to wait for mommy. Mommy, can you open a present?
What are presents?
What do you see, bud?
Which present do you want to open first?
This
Does it have your name on it?
Does it say JJ?
Sophia plus JJ.
was JJ.
Yeah. Who's
Hold on,
Sophia said was JJ. Daddy, you did that.
I did that?
No, Santa Claus did that. Santa Claus did that cover.
How did Santa Claus get in the house?
Should I close the car, Joe?
What's inside?
What's inside, Daddy?
What's inside?
What's inside this present?
What's inside?
What's inside this present? What's inside? What?
Whoa!
Not yet.
Wasn't sure I was.
Did I say whoa too early?
What's inside?
What's inside?
Oh, Bowser's castle!
Whoa!
Bowser's Castle. What is that?
That's Super Mario Bros.
That's
Super Mario
Bowser's
Bros.
ship.
Yeah,
That's-
Bowser's it.
That's Super Mario
Mario
Bros.
I'm gonna warm your cozy socks.
That's me. I always like that one. Oh, there's a castle for the present.
I got warm your cozy socks.
Nice.
I got the big present. Always like that one. I like that.
Are they soft?
Socks. I know why I'm excited about socks.
Another
it's
one
super
rainbow.
Wait, make sure your name is on it. Flip it over. Is your name on it? That one's for mommy. That's mine. Go ahead, open it up. That's mine.
I open you.
Yeah, you can help. Yeah, open my present up too, please.
It's too big.
I know.
I'm too small.
I know. That's okay.
I hope you.
Yes, you can help mommy. So that's one for mommy and daddy too as well.
Hey.
Yeah, I got a parachute guy.
So we are taking you guys to iFly
Mommy.
to go indoor
Whoa,
skydiving
that's like
as well.
you.
But we're not going till March.
Whoa,
Thank you. Oh, I have fuzzy socks too, Sophia.
Thank you.
So we are going to iFly indoor skydiving in March, okay? So that's what we're
I
doing.
like that.
What else did you get? Oh my gosh, you got a basketball net for the bathtub.
Going to Kalahari and I fly.
Woohoo!
I tried this present.
Who's that one for?
Is
That one would be Sophia's, because I think that's Sophia's wrapping paper. So you give that one to Sophia.
I opened this.
No, that one's Sophia's. Go find one that says JJ's name on it.
I opened
I
this.
bet like the baby short one.
Yeah.
Is there a name on this?
That one's probably yours. That was what was in your stocking, right? That little paper?
What's
Yeah.
inside?
What's inside?
I got a shirt.
Wow.
What'd you get, bud?
I found this one.
What
So
is
that
it?
one is for mommy and daddy too. And that also comes
That
from my
was
experience.
JJ.
So this
wow.
one, we are going to go see Harry Potter on Broadway in January, at the end of January.
Yeah.
Musical.
So that one is part of your another experience.
Wait, when are we going?
End of January to see Harry Potter.
So Kalahari,
Yeah, charts.
Harry Potter, and iFly.
iFly.
What is it, bud?
It's balloons.
Woohoo! Balloons.
I like that. I love the pocket balloons on the ground.
Brand. I
Nice.
think it's one of our movie brands.
Yeah, it looks like mini brands. That one's yours.
Oh.
Yeah. That was on your file, right? That was in your wrapping paper.
I think.
Not my wrapping paper.
Okay, I want another like one.
Oh yeah? Okay, another shark one?
I like that.
Good.
What's inside?
What are these? Socks? You get
Socks.
socks?
Yeah.
Yeah, get another shark one.
Body
Nice. You got a lot of that stuff this year.
Way too much.
That's okay. It'll last us all year, right?
Yep.
Okay, what other shark one did you get, bud?
I got a big size one.
Okay.
What's inside?
What's inside?
What's inside?
I might call my mom.
What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? This one.
Whoa.
And that's from Grandma.
No. It's all like this.
So weird to big.
Papa Joe, be
Oh,
on
nice.
a double.
Oh my gosh, it's Paw Patrol on the double? That's
Yeah.
probably that's to go inside your other purse.
Paw Patrol on the double. Is there money in there?
That's
Whoop,
you
whoop.
know what I'm saying, Sophie? That's to hold your money inside your purse, okay?
More money for Sophia.
Okay, girlfriend?
Okay.
I don't know who's it for.
That one?
I want this present, Sophia's.
It doesn't have an initial on it?
No. Wait, this present don't have
Wait,
stickers on it.
Did you open it? Did you open it or?
You can open it and see what's inside.
It seems like one of your qualities.
Present
I
inside.
I think it's yours.
Mommy's?
Inside.
No, I think that's yours, Sophia.
What's inside?
That one's
Take
yours.
one step.
This
We're gonna
one.
shake. Let's go.
Oh, you got another? Oh,
I
you got a
never
car
thought of
one?
shake.
Oh my gosh! That's so exciting. Sophie, you got a razor?
Yeah, I got a razor.
I think this is your wrapping paper.
I guess.
Is that heavy?
I found a present just for JJ. That's
You got water balloons too?
Is that
Hold on, let me take
Luigi?
the tape off,
yours.
Luigi. You got Sophia got water balloons too.
Thank you.
Luigi time.
Oh, you're not gonna open the present, Jay?
Joey,
JJ.
you gotta open the
You
present.
can open the present.
Okay.
You think the present was just Luigi?
And Mario.
I always like that.
Here, no, let me flip it over for you. Okay, you can do it that side. Hold on, before.
Milk chocolate Uno.
More hot dogs.
Yes, I can eat Uno. I can eat the Uno.
You can eat the Uno. Wow.
Like we can play Uno and then I can eat a
Oh,
cone.
that's weird.
A book.
And you got
Like,
more hot dogs too.
I own the present again.
It's Bowser Shed.
Wow.
Buying a digital one. I thought it was buying
That's
an
okay.
actual card.
That's okay.
Yeah, same.
It works the same way.
For a sec with it.
Okay.
Here, hold on.
Oh
let me
yeah,
help
Joe,
you.
this smells good.
Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, it's good. Whoa, what is it? What is it, Joey?
That's Rainbow Lane, right?
Whoa! You got Rainbow Race.
That is the coolest Hot Wheels thing I've ever seen.
I can't believe Joey got Rainbow Race.
That's Rainbow
love
Road.
that?
Do you love it?
Say thank you, everybody.
Say thank you.
Wow. You're welcome. That is pretty cool.
I think that's all yours.
Joey, give
son.
everyone a hug.
Say thank you.
Everyone up.
Give everyone a hug.
I have nothing to do with it.
I don't think I have anything to do with it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, he definitely has.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. Whoa.
He stayed pretty flat.
That kind of matches the Mario Kart Rainbow.
John's wearing every gift that he's gotten today.
I also actually got one for my ceiling.
Oh, you do?
All right. Wow, look at that. You want to play with that?
Hold up, Jay.
What'd you get?
I got
I'm video cameraing you.
Wait, hold up your shirt. shirt. Here's your shirt.
Another arm.
No, not that one. The Paris shirt.
Oh.
Tiffany Paris.
Oh.
Her French shirt.
Right.
Okay.
Sophia looks so French.
Yeah.
Sophia.
How are you, Monsieur?
Sophia, when did you become
Wow.
Take that.
You got, Sophia, we got to take you to Paris.
French? Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Bonjour.
I only know like two.